Hey guys, so this is just a quick update on how the channel is going to look moving forward. I'm trying to get a little more energy and excitement into the springtime here, and also shifting focus a little bit. I have been putting a lot of videos out with sort of trying to get the very basic beginner, applicable to everyone level stuff as far as seed starting and stuff like that out. And I think I've been getting bogged down in doing content that a lot of people have already put out and done a really good job of. So I'm going to be switching gears here, and I'm going to be focusing on posting specific to northern or short season conditions. Try to really refocus back in on the specific niche that we're in here in the north, and hoping to put out some more content as well as far as how I garden with chronic pain. I know that has kind of taken a back seat to sort of all this basic beginner stuff, and I know so many people have done such a great job of putting out content already on basic seed starting information and how to do that. So I really want to focus in on the specific niche that I'm in, gardening with chronic pain and gardening with a really short, intense season. Spring is coming upon us. We'll be able to plant in about 2 months. And I am very excited for that, so I hope you'll join me on this journey. And if there's any questions that you have, if there's any, if you're a gardener in the north, or if you're a gardener with chronic pain, if there's a specific thing you've been having trouble growing, or you tried something that didn't work and you're not sure why, please post those questions. You can post them on Instagram, on any of my posts, or you can direct message me on Instagram at the pumpkin. Is it the pumpkin gardener or the pumpkin patch gardener? I'll put it up anyway. And yeah, please post your questions. Yeah, it's just the Pumpkin Gardener on Instagram. I also have a Facebook page that you can post questions on, again, the Pumpkin Gardener. And if you have questions, if there's a specific thing you struggle with growing, if there's something specific with your northern conditions that you're unsure how to handle, please post those questions. I'd love to get to them. And I really want to focus in on doing that kind of specific content. I think that's the thing that I can offer. There's no point in me teaching what somebody else have taught so well before. So if there's anything specific to our area that you have a question on, great, send it to me. If not, I will just try and focus in on our conditions and post some good content that'll help you guys out. All right, see ya.